So, folks, over the last couple of weeks, you've heard me have conversations with the top real estate agents across the country about the luxury market being frozen, ice cold. Winter is here. And again, just so we have clarity, I define luxury as 2x the median average. But you know what? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there is activity going on that I don't see. We have the boys from Conway Home Loans on who focus and have a deep history in the luxury market. So I just wanted to ask Dustin, Jonathan, what's going on in the luxury market? $1 million loans. What's going on there?
Yeah, I mean, a year ago, 2 years ago, luxury purchases, were obviously a lot higher volume wise
Off
than
the charts, one might say.
yeah. And it's pretty simple. It's that most people, either if you're the client trying to buy or the appraiser trying to appraise, don't feel that the value that they're getting on this home aligns with what the seller's selling it at, right?
Okay.
That's the disconnect. So I think a couple of weeks ago, I brought up an example with the client of mine where he's literally been going back and forth with the seller for about 4 months, ended up basically getting it for like $1.2 million lower than what he
Wow.
thought he had it under contract 4 months ago. So the activity in the luxury market, I don't know what our percentages went down, but a significant amount. The
Yeah.
thing is that we were doing a lot of luxury refis, right?
Mm.
About a year, 2 years ago. That's done.
Yeah,
Nobody's refi.
nobody's doing that. You're not going from 3% to 6 on $1 million loan. Come on.
And just the purchases, it's
Yeah.
like there's not enough, in terms of money in the average consumer or homeowner, future homeowner to go look
Yeah.
at a luxury home in this market right now.
Yeah, it's really funny because I actually think the best deals will be in the luxury market. And you talked about an example, right? There's a property, it's worth 4 million bucks all day long, but because of this timing, the pool of luxury buyers shrink. And luxury is always a want, not a need. It's an ego thing, right? If you're buying a luxury home, you already have a home and you probably have a couple of homes. But this $4 million home all day long, that person gets in a liquidity crunch, they get divorced, whatever, they might take 2.8, right? So I think there's going to be some crazy deals done. I am looking to buy Park Place and Boardwalk in Fresno for that exact reason. I want to buy some stupid ass property for a stupid ass price because I want to prove to people there's always opportunity out there. I think first time home buyers below the median, I think that market is hot, hot, hot. I want to fish where there's nobody. So I'm looking every day. One of my buy boxes is luxury properties because I'm trying to get something at a stupid price. And I think that opportunity is coming. What do you guys think?
I agree. I mean, we kind of spoke about this, I think a couple months back, and you were saying that your strategy now
Yeah,
is for potentially seller carried financing, luxury
potentially. Yeah.
property. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think that's a great way. I'm personally doing that, not luxury, but a bigger house that I'm doing the bridge on. It has a
Yeah.
seller carried second as well.
Oh,
So
nice.
yeah, I mean I'll announce it's like I'm buying it for 164. It's worth ARV wise 2.5.
Okay.
So in the LA market, that's not like ultra luxury, but that's luxury. And
What do you think the median is in LA or the city that you're buying? What just curious.
I'm buying in Koreatown. So Koreatown probably like 1.2, I would
All
say.
right. So you're a little above the median.
Yeah, a little above. I'm buying it a little above, but worth wise, it's more, right? But I was
Yeah,
able to
yeah,
get
yeah, yeah.
a significant discount because one, I need to do work on it, but two, it's just the timing of the market,
Exactly.
along with the seller carried financing. So it's kind of like I kind of actually stole that idea from you a little bit, Mike, after that conversation. Um,
Nice.
yeah, just because they're carrying a pretty big second.
Yeah.
3 years interest only at like a 6%. So it's like it's a
Yeah.
good deal. But that's to say, like, yes, it's slow, it's slower transactional wise, like Dustin said, but they're there. They
Yeah.
are way out there.
Yeah. I got to tell you, I think luxury is going to be ice cold most of the year, but the deals that get done will be amazing.
Yeah.
Right. So that's where I plan to hunt. And I just like to hunt where nobody else is. I hate competition, man. I freaking hate competition. So you could expect me to hunt there a lot this year. And folks, if you're in Fresno, California, and you have a listing in 100 days, and it's, you know, above 800 grand, but you think the seller will take some, carry a first or a second, reach out to me. Let's talk. Cause I'm going to buy a couple. And if it works, I'll 1031 and upgrade my entire portfolio. So
Let us
I'm
know
gonna,
too.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, let's go.
It's up too.
Yeah, exactly. I think again, if you happen to be in a position where you can 1031 into a luxury property, but again, it's about how you purchase. It's not about, hey, I got a $4 million house for 3.7. That's not interesting. If you get a $4 million house for 2.8, now I'm interested, right? So let's use this buying opportunity to our advantage. So if somebody wanted to reach out and talk about how you guys can help them, how should they do that?
Go to convoyhomeloans.com and let us know you came from ORAD.
There you go. Thanks, guys.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.